Should you varnish your painting or leave it unvarnished? The answer could affect how your art ages. Welcome back to Painting Best Practices. Today we'll dive into varnish versus unvarnished surfaces, what each means for your artwork's appearance, and how it holds up over time. Varnish has two main functions. It protects the paint film from dirt and damage. It also deepens color and adds a uniform gloss. Historically, artists applied natural resins like damer or mastic once the paint was fully cured. But not every artist followed that tradition. Monet preferred an unvarnished surface to preserve his brushwork's subtlety. Picasso and Braque avoided varnish entirely, favoring a matte look that reinforced their focus on form and materiality in Cubist compositions. This approach helped distinguish their work from the polished surfaces of academic painting. Hopper, by contrast, selectively varnished areas to emphasize contrast and luminosity. A recent conservation study showed that paintings which appeared unvarnished actually had degraded varnish layers. Over time, dirt bonded directly to the surface. Cleaning became difficult, especially when red pigments began to lift, as these colors often contain organic components more sensitive to moisture and solvents. Without a varnish barrier, dirt embeds into the paint layer. If you skip varnishing, future conservators may misread your intent or, worse, damage your work during cleaning. So, should you varnish? If your painting is fully cured and you want protection and enhanced color depth, yes. Use a removable varnish like Conservar finishing varnish, which contains Regal Res 1094 and is designed for safe removal and long-term stability. If you prefer a matte finish, document your decision. Make a note of your choice on the back of the painting or in your records. Include the absence of varnish, the mediums used, and the date of completion. This helps future conservators understand how to care for your work. Varnishing is more than a final coat. It's a long-term decision that shapes how your work is experienced and preserved. Whether you varnish or not, be intentional and informed. Did you find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell for more in-depth videos on painting materials, conservation, and studio best practices. Until next time, keep painting.